What if the city you were sent to was designed to hide crimes? The city did not appear on most maps. People called it the city of canals, a labyrinth of waterways where boats moved faster than secrets and shortcuts could cost lives. When Arya arrived, 32, sharp, ambitious, a rising lawyer, she thought it was just another legal posting. But in this city, truth did not live in courtrooms, it floated in silence, and Arya was about to board the wrong boat. One decision, one boat ride, and Arya vanished. The morning after the festival, the canal were queues, crowded boats, shouting strangers, no space. Then Arya saw it, a lone boat, one boatman, a silent couple waiting nearby. Something felt wrong, but urgency won. She paid extra, boarded, and within minutes, her migraine surged. Voices faded, water deepened, then darkness. When Arya woke up, the boat was gone. She survived the river only to reach a place worse than death. Arya opened her eyes, floating, clutching driftwood. No passengers, no boat, only silence. She fought the current, reached land, and collapsed. But this wasn't rescue. It was an abandoned island, broken huts, boat wrecks, dead silence, then a sound, a trapped woman, barely alive. Arya jumped back in, saved her, and learned the horrifying truth. We transport drugs. The dying woman revealed one word that changed everything. The woman gasped, weak, broken, not a tourist, not a passenger, not a wife. We are not a couple. Arya leaned closer. We transport goods. Then a whisper, drugs. And just like that, she died. Arya froze, because suddenly everything made sense. She had not boarded transportation. She had entered a narcotics route, and everyone else was already dead. Trapped alone, Arya had only two choices, survive or disappear. 21 days, wild berries, rainwater, sunburn, isolation. Arya searched, screamed, waited. No one came. The island became a prison, but on day 21st, she made a choice. Waiting was death. So Arya entered the river again, with nothing but a plank and hope. Then the water swallowed her again. What if pretending to forget was only way to survive? Arya woke up, hospital ceiling, blurred faces, police, doctors. Then she heard it, memory loss, likely amnesia. But Arya remembered the island, the route, the drugs, the deaths, and in that moment, she made her first strategic move. She stayed silent because memory could not get her killed, but silence could make her dangerous. Arya survived, but the real danger was still alive. Then came the news report. A major narcotics route uncovered. Same canals, same system, same network. Arya realized this wasn't an accident. The city was built on hidden routes, and now she knew too much. If she spoke, she became a target. If she stayed silent, the network survived. So Arya made a choice not to run,